wanna see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.
Yeah, I cannot believe we are going on day 3. Whoa, not me look like a ghost. Day 3 with no water. Day 3 with no water. We are about to head up to town to get some stuff and meet up with somebody. I'm so excited. One of my good friends. She's actually like a sister to me. You guys will see soon. I'm also, so for our give back, one of our subscribers gave us some stuff and there was some baby stuff in there. So I actually know someone up there who's also expecting, so I'm gonna be giving them some of the baby stuff that I got. So it was just like some body wash and stuff like that and some diapers. So I'm gonna split the pack of the diapers and give it to a mom that's expecting her first baby. And I know it's a Christmas give back, but we're not gonna be up that side for the Christmas, and this is probably the only time. So I just messaged them and I'm gonna meet them up there to give it to them. So let me show you guys real quick. I don't really need to show you guys what it is. It's basically newborn diapers, body wash. I think there's a lotion, there's Vaseline. It's just like a little gift basket that I'm gonna do. And then I know another mom that just had a baby down here. I'm gonna end up giving her the other half of the newborn diapers. But yeah, this is all the stuff right here. And the other mom, yeah, that has a girl baby, she's gonna get the girl stuff. Because the one that I meet up in town, she's having a boy. But yeah. Say good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Hacker. Is this for Bunny?
It's for the baby.
This for Bunny.
The baby.
No, the bunny's the baby. No, I want to, let me do it. So, Mommy is done.
No, you gotta hold it like this.
No.
On your face.
No, you want it like that. Can it see me like that? Like that?
Yeah.
Drop this.
Yeah.
Say hi. Let me take this picture, then I'll give to you back. Wait. And this is the daddy's shoes.
Yes, so we finally leave out after we were supposed to leave out how long ago?
Yeah? Oh, Sash?
We got sour Sash.
Sasha just excited to leave her.
Yeah, so we're just heading on the road right now. I don't know, it's, according to the GPS, it's supposed to take us 2 hours, and it's what time right now? 1:32. And supposedly up there is Ram. That's what she said. She said up there is busy. So we got Nyla over there too, and Ziggy.
Sap.
Ziggy went to go get a lineup.
Yeah, man, I feel nice. Yeah, nice one.
So
my boy asked me if I don't shave up, so I don't got a barber.
you told me you cut yourself?
Yeah, but then I do it myself.
Do you remember the first time you came to Canada and I brought you to a barber?
Yeah, boy, them cut off. Like me tell you,
they're chatting. That's
it's like how this a stay so. Me tell him say someone want and just, you know, the man cut off the way up so, take off the whole up so. So me vex for that, and then he say, what, $50 or $40? They not go no.
Keep out no one here, so you see what they do? You see something I think I'm greedy.
How much you pay, Ziggy? How much did you pay?
About $40 or $50 or even $60.
No, how much you pay just now to do that?
5 bills.
Which is like $5.
Then no much. The dog has six bills. I say, Papa, you know, so I know, I just take up my money and I say, oh, dear man, you're good man.
Do you see the cane man?
No.
Oh God. Whatever, I'm pretty sure he know we wouldn't grab him anyway.
You have to trust the man, Kim.
You, cause you went to go ask, but you go feel sorry for people. Yo, it's okay. It was for a good cause. Maybe he needed it more than us. All right. So hopefully on this journey we get some patty.
Patty again.
Yes, why not? Town patty is supposed to be different than ours, you know.
Same patty.
It's supposed to be nicer and juicy. I am just joking. So everyone in the well, a few people in the comments were saying how Ziggy looked like Polly.
Really?
Yeah, you do.
I look like a Polly.
You don't look like a Ziggy.
Yeah, so people Some people were saying how you guys look alike. But then they said kind of everyone looked like Polly. Like all her kids look like her.
Renette.
People always say,
Everybody.
people always
Me see Renette more than everybody
always
else.
say,
I see Tovia too though.
but everybody says I see me pick them, they can't.
Yeah.
I'm in the seat.
Really? No, you can see it. You can see it. Zodia, you can see Tove, you can see Camille. The only one I don't see is Mark. Sometimes you see Mark.
Renette print out.
You
Nobody
can't tell
can
Renette, you
tell
can't tell Renette say if you're black lady.
Renette print out.
But tell
Renette
Renette
and
right now say if you're black lady. Nisha and Malice. Believe you me, either I'm any father, I'm not yes or no, don't tell him that.
Oh god.
Just tell him say I Polly if you.
Yeah man. Renette and Polly print
I know
out.
7 things that me have to have a
You guys do. You guys
because
do.
when Tova put up if me and Tova go to the house, they just say, I had that and I don't. Only I'm even coming this morning, I'm not saying anything, so everybody.
Camille, I chatted to Camille yesterday.
Guys, Christmas time is coming up, which means the place is about to be nice. Festive, busy, nice.
Money spending.
Polly, where your money back, Polly? Polly, you hiding the money bag?
People them save up all the money for
Save
Christmas.
up all their money for Christmas.
Eat only 10
You know we were so close to You know we were so close to buying a Christmas tree yesterday?
Yeah.
So why you never buy?
But like the one that the guy was, it was like a little taller than me and you said it was 28,000?
28?
Yeah, that's what he was saying. What is wrong? Hold on guys. Guys, I literally, okay, I thought we were leaving earlier.
Yeah.
I put on Nyla's nice white dress. Not Nyla up and down.
I know saying I was in
In the bus. But you know what? It's my fault still. I should have not put on her clothes yet.
Yeah.
Because even my white shirt, I'm pretty sure there's like a dot somewhere from the T. I try to rub it out. But guys, Sasha wants to start her YouTube channel.
Watch him.
Holy.
My
Me tell you about them money, I know
I
man.
know.
For a reason. That's why I tell Ziggy say, I don't like you don't want to learn to drive.
Yeah. No, because they drive on the
I
road
never
for
think like road
themselves.
man there while
And
ago, you know.
swinging.
And he must speed too.
Swing, speed, everything.
Everything, you know.
So when you drive, you can like you have to just hitch up in a
Each
corner.
in our corner and give them every whole road.
Basically, mash up your tire, your car for other cars to
But
pass.
it's better you mash up for your car than go take accident and risk.
True.
Because, shaka maka yaka.
So guys, if you guys are seeing different quality in our vlogs, it's because sometimes I film with my Canon and then I also film with the... Sometimes I film with the DJI. So this is the DJI Pocket camera. You should have.
Yeah.
Dang.
And just catch a drone shot on the highway or something.
Yes.
And what are we just here, so road trip.
Why do you think so late? Come on, you're scared to use the drone because last time you were using it now.
Alright.
But anyway, so this is the camera that I was talking about. It's the DJI Pocket 2. And it also has like the gimbal, the stabilizer and everything. Love this camera. You guys can kind of like look it up. The video is clean. You can obviously play with the, if you want like 4K, 1080, all that stuff. I've been kind of like switching back and forth because I've noticed that in the night, if you use a 4K, sometimes it flickers, or if it catches like other light, it flickers. So that's why the quality will kind of give off that like low quality. But I'm still trying to figure it out. I just got it, so I've done research on the quality of it and everything, but I'm still trying to figure out the settings. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's super small. It literally can fit in my little handbag, so that's where I keep it. Versus me walking with this big, hefty camera, especially like how we're going to town right now. This camera's perfect. Ask me if I'm still on that, guys. As I told you guys, water is still gone. I can't believe water is still gone.
Water either.
Yeah, but she was saying you have to buy like the wires and all this stuff too.
Oh, if you set up it.
Yeah. Well, I know I mentioned that earlier, that water is
Look
gone.
at plants.
Thank God Polly have her drum of water, buckets, bins, bottles, everything. Huh, Nyla? So, everything there.
You have to go, if you come back on the water and you have to go to Price Hill to get water.
Yeah. Okay. I know, because I was asking. Oh, and I also saw, I don't know if you guys remember Janika, and her YouTube was Janika Debout, but I think now it's Jin and Jay. I saw her at one of Ziggy's friends' party, Lauren. It It was so random too, cause Jesus Christ, man.
What am I doing?
I paid.
But look how long in tap this is just for good. Okay. Look how me pass and I think, Jesus Christ, I'm not gonna drive them.
Lord, please bring us to our destination safe and bring us back home safe and protect us. In Jesus' name, amen.
I pay Lauren. Never talk about it.
I know.
I let it talk to Lauren from so
Lauren.
But that's how she, when Dippy comes over, that's how she's with Dippy. Dippy.
Okay.
Like she just get hooked onto them when she sees them.
But me tell you, so one's not a lucky, you know, man. Oh God.
And it's cause Lauren, like, he talks to her, you know?
Yeah.
He actually, like, communicates with her, not just a hi. So, and she likes that. Even yesterday, we were telling her to come, let's go. She's like, no. Guys, so take this in. Nyla said that pretty girls, no. She said, first she said pretty girls don't pass gas, and then after she said girls don't pass gas money. Yo, I don't know where she gets these things from, man, but even just now I stopped to like pick up my pants, and this girl said, Mommy, did you pass gas? Girls don't pass gas. Anyways, we'll catch you guys back in a bit. We don't want to bore you guys in the car.
I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let it waste it. Oh no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's skip the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable.
First tour. How much is it?
I didn't go to that.
Money.
And I think I can't then go give you a sign.
Oh. I'm trying to focus on this.
Yeah, man. Then go give you a sign. And when you come on.
Please press the button and take it off.
Same deal. I get my passport.
Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine China.
What's one of those coconut drop-offs? How long coconut?
We are driving, we don't know where we're going.
We are driving and using GPS. Oh my god, look how the breeze did my hair. God, he opened the window for 2 seconds. My whole hair is tangled. I just washed my hair yesterday.
No.
I got them the school in Sashage. Damn weird.
I'm dead. Keisha said, saying I need to verse big and show him how it's done.
What?
Keisha,
What?
saying I need to verse big and show him how it's done.
What do you mean verse?
The Call of Duty.
Bigger in play, man, bigger play.
No, I don't know how. How are you? You see how she's more friendly now? I mean, she liked you. She liked you last time, so yeah, hot girl shop. This is Ziggy's niece, Sasha Shami. I know.
I remember seeing her. She was
Younger. Yeah, she watches you guys. Yeah, they watch you too. Oh God. So if Sue nails just start,
yeah.
bruh.
It was running a bit late, so that's why.
Oh, your lashes look good. I like them. What are they, hybrid? They look nice. That's like how I want to go film mine right now, but This girl told me I had to go all the way to Bay. I'm like, nah. So I finally reached town after we were here circling. You know what happened? We came on some random street, but it brought us that way. Yeah. What's wrong with this man? The man them out here are just too much, man. Oh god. Now you have to pee? Huh? Oh. Girl, I thought you were like done.
What is this?
DJI Pocket.
Hi, Naila.
What's your?
You remember me? Oh my god. I'm so sad, but I'm so happy to see you. Still shy? No?
She's shy. She went right to.
Hi, nice to meet you. Welcome, Ziggy. So this have been a vlog with?
Yeah.
Wow, the quality looks good.
Yeah. Well, I've been switching back and forth, but mainly this. This one's just because you
It's
know
so
it's
nice.
hard. Yeah. You should get one. It's nice. I know it's scratching on my, and it follows you. So like now it's following me.
So what, Ziggy?
Yeah.
Nice to see you again, man.
I can't believe you're just starting your nails. Hi, buddy! Finally!
Yes, it's been such a long time. What, 2 years?
2 years. Almost 3, you know?
3?
Almost. Because the last time we came was 2019. That was last time. Crazy. And then this is Sasha.
Hi, oh my gosh.
She's happy to meet you because she watches you guys religiously.
Really?
Yeah, she supports you guys heavy. Give her a hug. Aww.
Yeah. Oh, wait, what's the name gonna be? Miss Asha?
She just woke up. I just want to get some stuff wherever.
So go to like Azan and stuff?
Yeah. Is that where we went last time?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine.
You can check Azan and Fontana is expensive, so you could probably try Monarch.
Okay, yeah. Sue is still doing her nails, and we found this restaurant upstairs, so we're gonna get some food, and then we're probably just gonna go and leave her. Yeah, we're just going into this restaurant right here. So the restaurant we just went to, there's no food. It was this door, right? They have no food upstairs, so we're gonna go.
Okay.
And I'll just text you after.
Yeah, so you can find food now.
Yeah, somewhere. What's the name of the place though? Arzan?
Azan.
Azan?
Yeah, so if you have food, you can find it.
Azan? This?
15, 20, 30 minutes.
18 minutes.
18. Oh, cool.
We're on our way to Arzan. Oh, sorry, Azan Super Center. I keep saying Arzan. Azan Super Center.
You're good, man. Kaya yung mga susin na if tayo mo sa patola in Japan na flash up wala.
Oh my god! So we just left Sudam because she's finishing up her nails and we're going to Azan Super Center. Yeah. Down here, ooh, they smell. That smell like. What's wrong with this man? That smell like a porta potty. That's what that's giving. Yeah, it's okay. No, someone splashed it. It's okay. What? Look at this guy. You guys, let me tell you, where we live, the Cardam drive bad, but town is like a different level drive bad.
That's a long time. Town driving way worse than.
Yo, 2 cars almost swipe off the side of our car. It's like they have no patience. They're not even in a lane and they want you to let them in. Oh my gosh. I don't know how. Holy. But yeah, so we're just going there right now to go see what we can get. And then we're also gonna get some food. Not only that, the bikers out here drive reckless too. I'm sorry.
I have no live town life.
No,
I can't ride or drive in them place. I have no what.
This reminds me of driving downtown Toronto. That's what it reminds me of. But it's just like the way how the Toronto taxis drive when they don't care is how the drivers up here drive.
Man, I'm a burn up road.
Literally.
You know? 150 for the toll. But I town.
Like, yo, I don't know.
Yeah. Man, I'm not business.
my arm.
Man, so, yeah.
What are they doing? Ready again? Let me see.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh
But the same
god.
one, rice and chicken.
No fast food, no burger.
McDonald's, I want to see if you got them about McDonald's.
Burger King? Wendy's?
Burger King, probably for
Why not Burger
or one Wendy's.
Why
Or
not?
3-piece chicken.
Polly said Burger King is not,
Or some
is that a
Popeyes.
mosquito? It's a mosquito, you know?
Papa is our.
Probably catch him, mosquito, kill him.
Where is it?
Alright, that's it.
You got it?
Oh, mosquito, you know, for true.
I don't know, where is it?
Way back there.
Literally though.
I was like, I said, nobody don't use no bat because I'm in the two bat.
Mommy, can it come from here?
Yeah. Now I don't want them to
5
like
more minutes.
9.
9.
Yo, my stomach's actually growling.
Where road they?
Where's the road and where's the lions?
So I say where road they? Watch this some of them.
Oh, it's in law.
I go straight.
Yeah, straight. Y'all,
I'm trying to
the
do
roads are
something
so
with my
busy.
iPad.
So,
I mean, not that we weren't expecting this,
so,
but it's probably a mixture of
should I stop in nice?
everyone trying to get home, people are going out,
I'm
shopping,
trying to do
everything.
this.
And also, I feel like if people knew how to drive and would just be patient,
Where's the Jamaica flag?
oh, this man's born.
No. I wish we eat some. I'm doing something.
Everyone's making their own
I
lane.
wish I would do something else.
The man a drive, and I make like road, the man a
That's what I'm
drive.
saying.
The man, all of this supposed to in one lane, you know. Man in a big like road, cause
I'm looking for a new thing I want. Which one? Polly, which one? Polly, which one? That
Oh
one?
my god, bro.
No.
No patience. What the hell's going on here?
Which one you want to eat?
I can't even tell if the bus is reversing or driving.
Nope. I had to eat something. We had.
How is my driving?
Don't show me now. Don't ask
I
and request.
Someone
eat
lick?
waffles and some.
yes man,
See,
yeah,
because
cut it
people
off,
drive
yeah.
so...
300 meters, turn left onto Paisley Avenue.
And
Turn left.
Y'all see?
See?
These
It off,
people
yeah.
drive so...
ice cream. There. Okay, cracker.
Because everyone's just in a rush. This is a 1 lane and they made it 3.
Some pizza. Okay, this is
Anyways, we're almost at our destination. 2 minutes, according to
Who
our GPS.
eats this? Can't see.
I'm gonna hit off right
Yeah. And Daddy had to play
Look at this.
the ball. Daddy had to kick the ball.
God.
And Daddy had to do exercise. Daddy,
Hmm?
you had to kick
I'll
the
park
ball.
now, yes.
You wanna go over there? Let me just walk. Not my memory card telling me that it's full and it's not full, but we just reached in Azan. Jesus. God, when people stare, they just stare so bad. We just reached into Azan, so we're gonna go look at some stuff right now. Where's Polly? Oh, okay. So they have way more options here. Yeah?
Look, kids and boys.
Oh wait, look at that bead set. You see that fashion thing right there? Sorry. Hey, this is what I was talking about, Ziggy. Stuff like this, so they can make like little bracelets.
So you can just grab it, I got them.
How much is it though?
Can I show you something?
Now Nala's like in Toyland. Yeah?
Look at this.
What's that?
I want to drink something.
Ziggy, where's Ziggy? Where's Ziggy go? Come, Nyla. Nyla, come. Do you want to get the remote control car or no? The bigger boys? Get like 2? So far I got 2 of these. This one, look, this is 19. This auto bike. No? Is that the price for it? Yeah, that's big though. Everyone's doing their Christmas shopping.
I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm bothered, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. What you know, what you say, about it. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid.
So we got most of the stuff that we came here for. When I say in here is full of toys, it's not a good idea bringing that light in here. So everything she sees she wants. But now we're just gonna get some pepper lights, as they call it.
White, orange, red, green, pink.
What you see, how I did it on the low. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches.
So guys, right now we're in KFC. I've literally been in here for the last 20 minutes. Super slow. So slow, and there's still a lot of people ahead of me. Huh? It's roughly been like that. One freaking cashier, there's a good like 10 people ahead of us. Oh boy, I don't understand. I just don't understand. There's like a good 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6, 7 workers, one cashier. So slow. But we got most of the stuff that we needed. I just have to go home and like wrap them and all that stuff. We were gonna buy a Christmas tree, but by the time you put it up, it's time to take it down. I just left it. And I was supposed to meet back up with Sue, but I don't even, let me call her. I don't think we're meeting up with her anymore. But yeah, we're just gonna order some food. Guys, come like as nighttime come, everyone's driving even worse. The pressure is getting worse.
But now open the stoplight, that's it.
It might be not working.
No, it's working.
But nobody na OBA. Yeah. The light just change, you know? The light literally just change. Oh.
Not.
Why everybody in here they want to do it?
Ziggy, drive.
Nisha?
Me they cruise because we gas low.
Yeah, but you're like wasting time. No? No. So guys, not us on the highway, and there's like the one gas station we've seen, I feel like it's like in the middle. We haven't even seen one heading back like Ochi way. But we're 16 kilometers from Ochi, and we have 60 kilometers.
What is? Oh.
Oh my God, you're
I
so.
almost turn off our road now, you see?
Pay attention to the road. Yeah, we have 16 kilometers until we reach Ochi, and we have 59 kilometers gas. We totally, because we were such in a haste to get on the highway. I'm joking. What happened was the roads are really busy, and we end up missing our turn. Like, it was kind of confusing, and then we were trying to use the GPS, and we missed our turn, and it took us like on another route. It's just been a hot mess.
Okay.
Ochi
45.
46.
That not say.
You want to come from Mani?
Me mama.
Yo. Not only that, with Ziggy hit a dirty pothole.
Oh God, man. For the company, them are expensive, nice, clean road, and you have to pay your money company. They're supposed to fix them the pothole.
Literally,
close this.
just as we're about to turn to go on the highway, he fell. Because again, we're focused on the GPS, and he fell right into a nasty pothole. So now the rim is bent.
Yeah. Every time a tire pass by, psst, psst, psst.
Really?
Yeah, so you're a little tire.
So
right now we finger off the cross, like, let me reach you up.
Literally.
Oh God, make me reach you up.
We will, in Jesus' name. Not one piece of gas station. They should do, well, they should do two. Yeah.
Two.
Like, there should be like one kind of like halfway, and then another one kind of when you're almost.
Okay, I want next hill if you go up, you know. And I think I talk to you now. With nervous there, buddy.
We are you.
Hey, top boy if I me are you, cause if me top one, they top to you know. I'm not gonna know it. And then me go off left, go look, yes, and left.
Save 4 minutes, faster route via Northern Customs.
That go carry going and watch it though.
So put no thanks?
No, we don't want to go there, so we go stay up on the route or
We're supposed to reach home in 43 minutes.
And I watch it that, remember say I watch it that they can go, you know?
Yeah.
Say, why they show you to, even they show you, so we go, we have come off of this and go in and watch it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
But we not do that. We just go come off and then I will still not even go through this late. The toll some for pay.
Yo guys, first of all, let's talk about the toll. We paid 4,000, 3,000?
Yeah.
Paid 3,000 something for toll. The last time we used a toll, it was not that expensive. That's what I'm saying. Even when Ziggy went, he was like, what?
Yeah.
It was so expensive. Holy smokes. Everything literally. So make sure when you come to Jamaica, you have money, you ship your stuff. Yeah. Oh man, because the prices out here. Yep. Anyways, we're trying to find a gas station. We just wanted to come on here to kind of update you guys and let you know what's going on. Yeah. So guys, we are back home. So we put it on the door, but we're gonna put it higher. But
And look at my toys.
Nyla could not wait to come home so that she can play with her toys that she keeps buying.
Look at this.
Blender.
And I'm trying to.
And her eye is better. Let me get the light.
Oh, this is cool toy.
Let me see her eye. Show them your eye. Her eye's all better.
Like, I don't think my eyes are swollen like last night.
Then it's swelling up last night.
And I'm making some drinks.
And you can see now?
Yeah.
Let me see your drinks.
And time for it.
Show them how the toast, the bread pop up. The bread.
You have to press that like this.
Hey! Guys, this girl was literally falling asleep in the car. As soon as we pull up, she's like, I'm not tired no more. You're not tired no more? Why?
Because my eyes are
Because your eyes what?
My eyes are supposed to be like astery.
Your eyes rest already?
No, astery.
Azure?
Yeah, that's how my eyes talk like that.
Jugs. So I'm low-key trying to fill up the jugs. Oh gosh. Oh, Polly's taking over. But anyways, we just fill up some jugs over here.
People might drive this still, but take it to
and I'm boiling some water so I can wipe Nyla down. But we reached back home safe and sound. It was a long day. And then we end up having to stop at a gas station.
Guys, can I show you something?
Oh, let me turn this light. Is so bright. You guys need to get this light on Amazon.
Mommy, look.
This is a newer brand.
Mommy, take this off, then have in there. It's in there.
Okay. Let me show you guys. It's actually so bright. Like, literally hurting my eyes. I don't know if it's because I'm tired, but
Because mine
this is what the light looks like. It is a newer brand. It has the charger part right
Sexy
here.
body girl.
So you can see when it's charged up here.
Make it
Daddy,
50
look
long.
at this.
150.
I want this.
And then
I want this.
and then you can turn it down and you can is this turning it down? And you can turn it up.
Wait.
Let me show you guys how
What
it
is
looks.
it? Oh, is this a blender?
So this is it up all the way, super bright.
Let me show you
And this is it
Okay,
turned
hold on.
down. It actually hurts my eyes, how bright it is.
Let me see.
And then it also has like a little
Cool. That's cool.
So we open this.
it also has a little clip
Nice.
part. So you can
That's
clip it. I can clip it onto the camera.
Hold on, man. You keep telling me to
So this is it clipped onto the camera. It's so bright. Yeah. So this is it clipped onto the camera. I think it was roughly like
Guys,
hold on, Nyla. Wait.
let me talk.
Wait, no, let me talk first.
No, why? Mommy's being rude.
No, I'm trying to talk and
No.
you're being rude.
That's why you have to do the animals so you can cook the animals.
Cook the animals. What's girl talking about? But yeah, so this is like clipped onto the camera because my camera, if you guys remember
And
before,
what are you talking about?
I bought my light.
Huh?
The light.
How do you sit there?
I clip it on. Can you just hold on a second? I'm gonna let you show them. Making me lose my train of thought. Hold on. I was about to say, before I had bought a little newer light, and if you have the camera right, it can scroll onto the top, then you can do that. But this one you can also screw it. No, you cannot. This one just has literally just strictly the clip. So you just clip it onto anything. So that's why I got it. So when I'm walking, I can just clip it onto my camera, but it's hurting my head, a little low-key giving me a migraine. I'm just trying to hurry up and vlog to end off the vlog because I noticed when I'm editing I'm not finishing off the vlogs, it just cuts. So I'm making that's your blender noise?
Yeah.
So I'm making sure that I'm coming on here and ending off the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you guys
Mommy, I waited
show
for
us
this.
some love. Subscribe to the channel if you're just stumbling on our channel or this video. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. The more you guys interact with the videos, the better. Yeah, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, tell them again.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for Nyla, because Nyla says it, right? Tell them good night.
Good night, Mr. Head.
Mr. Head. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
And I see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one.